Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this black Swarovski crystal flip flop. It's a follow-up to the Beyhive tribute shoe that I did, and it's kind of a simpler version. If you don't want to do all the beading, this is perfect for you. And I also go into detail as to how I add the crystals, which I think is important. So if you like how this looks, stay tuned and I will show you what I used to get this look. I used E6000 glue and a black flip flop. I also used the exact same colors of Swarovski crystals that I used for the Beyonce Beyhive tribute shoe, so I'll go over those again in one moment. For the Swarovski crystals, the colors that I used were Crystal Clear, and this is size 9SS, Jet Hematite, this is size 5SS, and Sunflower, which is also size 5SS. In the video that has the matching shoe, I asked if anyone wanted to see me actually add the crystals and the beading to the shoe, and one person commented. Thank you so much for commenting. And she also suggested that while I'm showing the beading and the crystals, to speed up the video a little bit, and I thought that was a really good idea. So this video just kind of shows more of the technique of adding the crystals. It's a little bit sloppy because these crystals are super tiny, but I just wanted to show you that you can do it. It's not hard, and even if they fall off and you glue them back on, the end result is so cute that it's worth that little bit of patience. So let me show you how I did that. So I'm going to place the sticker and I'm just going to secure it with a little bit of E6000 glue just to make sure that it really sticks, because you don't want this coming off since you've spent all your time putting on the crystals. So I'm just going to tap it in. I like how that looks, so I'm going to give it a little moment to dry, and then I'm going to start adding the crystals. I'm going to add a tiny bit of E6000 glue along the top of the sticker, and you just need a really thin layer. And you see how my sticker is coming up a little bit? So I'm adding this to the top, and now I'm going to apply the crystals. This is the final result. It turned out super cute and it was so fast to make and so easy. I don't know how well the crystals will stay on as far as like all summer, but it really was inexpensive, and if you want a really cute look but you don't want to do all the beading, this is perfect. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time.